Hello my students, welcome to our channel VA NEET Academy. So today's upload is, as you have seen the pattern, it's on top 10 MCQs on nucleus, and as our pattern says, we have two sections. Section A is based on NEET previous year question and question patterns, and section B will be NCERT based questions. Okay, so I recommend you to go back and check our video on the description of nucleus, the long video on the nucleus, and then come back here to answer your questions so that you feel confident while answering the questions. Okay, so for that please do subscribe also, so that I get motivated for you to prepare more and more videos like this for you all. Do subscribe and like and also share with your friends. Okay, so let's begin our first question. Who discovered the nucleus? Robert Hooke, Robert Brown, Camillo Golgi, or Rudolf Virchow? Who was it? Remember? Yes, it was Robert Brown. He saw a dense like structure in the middle of a cell in an orchid cells. So he was the person who discovered nucleus. Okay, the second question, the nuclear envelope is single membraned, triple membraned, double membraned, or absent in eukaryotes. What is the right answer? Nuclear envelope is a double membraned structure. Okay, and absent in eukaryotes? No, in eukaryotes it is a well defined structure. Nucleus is a well defined structure. It's absent in prokaryotes. So there you find nucleoids, isn't it? Okay. The next question, nuclear pore are responsible for ATP synthesis, protein digestion, exchange of materials between nucleus and cytoplasm, or photosynthesis. What is the right answer? Yeah, the right answer is exchange of materials between nucleus and cytoplasm. That's the role of the pore, nuclear pore. Next question is, chromatin is mainly composed of lipids and carbohydrates, DNA and proteins, RNA and lipids, cellulose and proteins. Remember, please do see yesterday's class so that you give me the right answer. Chromatin is composed of DNA and proteins. Okay, yeah. So the last question in section A, during cell division, chromatin condenses to form what? It forms ribosomes, vacuoles, chromosomes, or lysosomes. What does it form? It forms chromosomes. Okay, so we'll move on to the second section, section B, NCERT based questions. Okay, yeah. The dense spherical body present in the nucleus is called. The dense spherical body present in the nucleus is called what? Centrosome, nucleolus, vacuole, or Golgi body. What is it called? The dense spherical body, it is called nucleolus. Okay, now don't get confused with nucleoid. Nucleoid is actually means nucleus kind, nucleus type, just like humanoid we say, right? So these are present in prokaryotes, not in eukaryotes. So don't get confused if you get one of the option as nucleoid along with nucleolus. So the right answer is nucleolus. Okay, the nucleolus is primarily involved in ATP production, ribosome formation, photosynthesis, or digestion. It is primarily involved in ribosome formation. Okay, the fluid matrix present inside the nucleus is known as, what is the fluid present inside the nucleus called? Nucleoplasm. Okay, cytoplasm is the fluid present in the cell. Okay, so stroma, matrix. Now these are the wrong answer. The answer is nucleoplasm. Which structure surrounds the nucleus? Plasma membrane, cell wall, nuclear envelope, or tonoplast? What is the structure you call which surrounds the nucleus? You call it as nuclear envelope. Okay. Which of the following is correctly matched? Correctly matched. Nucleolus involved in ribosome formation, chromatin involved in ATP synthesis, nuclear pore involved in photosynthesis, or nucleoplasm involved in protein synthesis. What is the right answer? Yes, the first one, Nucleolus ribosome formation. Okay, so these were the 5 each from section A and B. 5 questions each from section A and section B. Hope the class was useful for you all students. Please do subscribe and do me a favor so that I can upload more and more videos, and that gives me really an encouragement for you to prepare more questions like this. And this can be a really very good revision before going for your NEET exams. Thank you students. See you tomorrow in our next video. Tomorrow's video will be on chromosome structure. So come back and see our video without fail, and do like and share.